Here again is Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. I thought it'd be really cool to look at some thermal night vision kind of stuff because it seems to be the really hot thing right now. It's really improving. So we're here at AGM Global Vision. Did I get it right? AGM Global Vision. Yeah, so that's what's coming up next year on Survival on Purpose. Welcome back to Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. I'm here with Gavin from AGM Global Vision, AGM for short. They are a leader in the thermal night vision industry here, so thought we would just kind of get some information. I know there's a lot of confusion about night vision and thermal. Maybe Gavin can tell us like what's important, what's not important, and kind of just a little bit about one of their cool products.
Yeah,
take it away, Gavin.
I'd love to introduce you to some stuff. I think AGM is pretty well known as a brand of thermal and night vision, and there is a difference between night vision and thermal. By far, thermal is king in the United States, but it gives you a lot more options to kind of see animals, hunting, search and rescue, and all that kind of stuff. In fact, we brought to market this year at SHOT Show brand new is a 1280 resolution, built-in rangefinder, built-in ballistic calculator, all in one, a nice compact, lightweight. Battery technology will get you right around 7 hours, sometimes even higher if you turn off the LRF. But this unit right here is a mile-long thermal scope that's deadly accurate, and everything that we produce comes with American Defense manufacturing mounts, which are quick release, and that's valuable because now I can take it off and use it as a handheld, put it right back on the gun, and it drives tacks one after another.
So a mile.
Oh yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. And built-in rangefinders?
Built-in rangefinders, built-in ballistic calculators. You can literally tap a button, take the range, it'll tell you exactly where your holdover is, and you can shoot it very accurate at distance.
So, and what I've noticed, one of the things I think is cool from a novice who knows nothing about this, what I like about thermal is you don't need IR, you don't need anything. It's all built in. It's just right there.
It's all digital. And I think what has been helpful with a rangefinder is you lose a little bit of depth perception when you're looking at a computer screen, essentially. But now I have a rangefinder, I can tell you exactly how far that coyote is, or that tree is, or whatever it is. I have some markings to kind of feel a better sense of land that I maybe have never hunted before. It really helps.
So if somebody's looking at thermal, and like I said, there's a wide range of prices, right?
Oh, yes.
The more money you spend, the more features you get, right?
That's right.
Stuff. But what are some like absolutely must-haves, even at a low price? What are critically? This is what you really need to have at a baseline.
Fair question. I would say figure out how far you're going to shoot, right? And that's a great way to start. If you're only shooting a couple hundred yards, you might not need the fanciest, most highest resolution and thus the highest price. You'll never take full advantage of it. The higher the resolution, the further you're going to see with clarity is kind of the general rule of thumb. So if you get into a $900 unit, you're going to be driving tacks with thermal, call it 1,000 yards and in. It's surprising what you can get into for under $1,000 now in the thermal industry.
Wow.
Yeah.
Look, I don't think I'm driving tacks at 1,000 yards with
even with the glass
it doesn't matter. But you have the ability to do so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. So
we've got night vision, we've got thermal, we've got nods for helmets, we've got digital night vision, which you can use during the day or at night. All of our thermals are digital, so you can use them during the day or at night. Very simple to sight in. 2 shots. Take 1 shot. Freeze the screen on the inside, move your crosshairs, save it, you're driving tacks.
Yeah, that's another thing I like about digital. It's like it's really, really easy. If you can get on paper or wherever you can see your target, your impact, you're zero the next time.
Very easy. And you can set it up for 5 different guns.
Yeah.
You can store 5 different zeros for 5 different guns on these things. Yeah.
And you can keep a record of your experience because most of them have have recording, right?
This is what's great about AGM is there's an AGM Connect app. And you literally can see in real time whatever's going on through the scope, but you can also download and record it right there. You can send it from your phone on Facebook or to a friend or upload it to your website. It makes it very, very simple. And it does it in a way where the frames per second are still good for editing with like high definition, but in slow-mo. You have to have a lot of frames per second. We've already taken care of that when you download it through the app.
That's pretty cool. So switching real quickly over to night vision.
Yeah.
Like digital night vision is you're looking at a screen and you're going to have IR on digital night vision.
That's right.
It's going to be IR illuminated. And analog night vision, you don't need the IR. You don't need the IR, right?
You don't need it. It helps.
Sure.
Analog, but analog night vision you don't want to use during the day at all. It actually will damage the unit. But when you go digital with night vision, wheels come off. You can use it during the day or at night.
So one of the things I've noticed in really lower end, maybe last generation digital is a lot of lag when you move.
Right.
So what combats that?
That's called the hertz, the measurement of the hertz, the refresh in which you have it. So the faster the hertz, the less you're going to have a delay when you're
Gotcha.
scanning back and forth, right?
So what would be a good baseline hertz to try to minimize?
50 is a good baseline, 25 is even better. And
Okay.
a lot of our new stuff has the 25 hertz refresh. We've got some great binos that are both night vision and thermal, and has an
That's
LRF
cool.
into it.
So just to be clear, like hertz is kind of like other things. The lower the number, the faster.
That's right.
Not the higher number, the faster.
That's right. That's right.
So yeah, so pretty cool. So I know you got Google because you're watching this. You can go to AGM Global Vision, you can find them, and really one of the industry leaders in night vision, thermal, all that kind of stuff.
Thank you, Brian.
And I really appreciate taking time.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for watching Survival on Purpose coverage of the 2025 SHOT Show. Remember, survival's not an accident, so be prepared. I'll see you next time.